welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, we have got a lovely little cocktail for you. It is called the Banana Cake. So let us not waste any time, and let us get right into this. You want 1 shot of the old cake-flavored vodka. You want to move your cocktail glass into a... Actually, you want to pour this into a tumbler. Professionalism here on Dave's Cooking Show. Then you want 1 shot of banana schnapps. About 1.5 shots of the Ocean Spray mocktail fucking cranberry peach shit. Put the top on. Give it a little shake. Let everything settle down for a minute. In our cocktail glass. You want to add, if you can fucking get one out, 1 maraschino cherry. And then to top it all off, ginger ale right to the top. To the tippy top. And there you have the banana cake. Delicious.